Hello viewers and welcome back to your favorite baking channel with your resident chef Tonde. I'm going to do something slightly different today, and you are very fortunate if you are tuned in, because I'm going to present to you my own specialized product, which I like to call, it is called Chef Tonde Meaty Love Bread. It's a unique name, but I'm going to show you how to make use of your love-shaped, heart-shaped bread. If you have a heart shape when you are baking your bread, you have to try this with your Oma recipe. So this is Oma bread in a heart shape. So what do I have? I have my beef stew. It's prepared already, it's ready, and I'm going to show you how to quickly do this unique specialty recipe. It's my own product. So what do? You need to, you take your bread. It's more like a KOTA bread, KOTA loaf. Those KOTAs that they are very popular here in South Africa. But this one is mine. Then what do? You take your top off. Then you remove the inside of your bread. It's Oma. So Oma don't crumble. So you can play around with your Oma, because you can see even the inside, it's still intact. So you remove just like this. So you make it unique. Then what do? You take your plate, you put it in your plate, so that if you put and the soup it will be sunk in, and it will have a plate to support it. Then you take your well cooked and nice beef stew, you put inside as much as you want, as much as you like it. Very nice for business. More meat. It's Meaty Love Bread recipe from your resident chef. So what do? You take your bread, you put it on. It's more like an African hamburger. Then what do? You take your soup, just to give it an extra moist touch. There is your resident chef's unique weekend special recipe. You are very fortunate to have a chef like Chef Tonde, who can introduce now and then surprises. This is your Chef Tonde Meaty Love Bread. Everything nice is in one place, inside the bread. There we go. That's all what I have to surprise you with. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to give us suggestions on how we can move on with our channel, with your channel, the way you want it. We want to this channel to be tailor-made for you, our followers. Chef Tony signing out. Maita basa, siyabonga, magwira njito, tizaonana pa next episode. It's time to we must start now.